In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a password to a Windows 10 local account. First, we're going to go to the Start menu in the bottom left corner, and then go to our cogwheel settings. Now you may need to resize this window to view all your options, but we will be looking for accounts. Under the left-hand side, we are going to click on Sign-in Options. And here is where you can add different ways to sign into your account. First, you have to add a password. So let's click on Password and then click Add. And now we're just going to type a simple password here. And we're going to finish. We have now added a password to our account. Now, if you are required to have a longer password, it is often helpful to add a Windows PIN. Let's type in my password. And now we can use a PIN. Most of the people use 4 numbers, but you can also include letters and symbols if you like. So let's just add a simple PIN here. And hit OK. We are not allowed to use a common pattern. So let's try again with a new pattern. There we go. So now when you turn on your computer, it'll ask you for your PIN, or you may click Sign In Options and type your password instead. This has been a video from nephew-tech.com, and I hope you learned something.